Good morning, children. Today we will learn History, Chapter 1, The Sources of Medieval India. The period from 700 AD to 1200 AD is called as the Early Medieval Period, and from 1200 AD to 1700 are classified as Later Medieval Period. Numerous varied sources like inscriptions, monuments, and coins left by the Arabs, Persian, and Turkish chronicles tells us a lot about this period. These are hyperbolic in language and speaks about the king's achievements. Sources. The sources are classified into two: primary and secondary source. Primary sources contain inscriptions, monuments, and coins. Secondary source contains literary works, chronicles, travelogues, biographies, and autobiographies. Inscriptions. Inscriptions are writings engraved on solid surfaces such as rocks, stones, temple, walls, and metals. Various types of land gifted by the Chola kings are known from these inscriptions. They are Velan Vagai, that is, the land of the non Brahmin proprietaries. Brahmadeya, that is, the land which is gifted to the Brahmins. Salabhoga, which means land given for the maintenance of a school. Devadana means a land gifted to the temple. Palichandam means land donated to the Jain institutions. Copper plate grants were treated as legal documents. The Islamic Persian practices and the relatively high cost of copper plates made palm leaf and paper cheaper alternatives from the 13th century. The Tiruvalangadu plates of Rajendra Chola I and the Anvil plates of Sundara Chola are notable examples. Uttirameru inscriptions in Kanchipuram provide details of the way in which the village administration was conducted. Monuments, temples, palaces, mosques, tombs, forts, minars, and minarets are called by the collective name monuments. The sultans of Delhi introduced a new type of architecture. The monuments they built had arches, domes, and minarets as the main features. The Khajuraho monuments in Madhya Pradesh, the temples in Konark and Dilwara in Rajasthan constitute valuable sources to understand the religion-centered culture evolution in the northern India. Temples in Tanjavur, Gangaikonda Cholapuram, and Darasuram symbolize the magnificent structure that the later Cholas built in Tamil Nadu. Vitala Temple and Virupaksha Temple at Hampi speaks about the contributions of the Vijayanagar rulers. Kuwait ul Islam Masjid, Moti Ki Masjid, Fatehpur Sikri Dargah, and Charminar in Hyderabad are the important mosques belonging to the medieval times. The forts of historical importance are Agra Fort, Chittur Fort, Gwalior Fort, and Delhi Red Fort. Palaces in Jaipur, Jaisalmer, and Jodhpur signify greatness of the Rajput dynasty. Qutub Minar and Alai Darwaza, the tomb of Iltutmish, Balban, and all the Mughal rulers are the other prominent structures. Cities in ruins such as Firozabad and Tughlaqabad in North India and Hampi in South India remain rich repositories of the history of medieval India.